Hi, I'm Simon and welcome to City Skylines Mod Update Showcase, Procedural Objects version 1.5. This version adds a bunch of features into the game, but the most important one is an entire text customization tool for any assets converted to procedural objects. It's a complete system that handles custom fonts, size, color, spacing, style and position. The mod only comes with Arial by default, but custom fonts can be created for the mod and shared on the workshop. I'll do an entire video on how to create one in the future. To use this system, create an object as usual, select a texture if you need to, then click Text Customization to open the window. At the top you can see the texture of the model on which to apply text, and at the bottom the actual text fields where you can customize text. You can obviously zoom in and out on the texture for extra precision and move the view with the mouse. When you add a text field, you can click it to grab it and click again to move it to the desired location. It will automatically apply in the model. From here you can select the font to use, the size, the spacing between characters, and also the style, both italic or normal, and the color if the font supports those features. You can also have access to scale X and Y. Those settings are useful in particular when you moved vertices of a model to make it fit the size you want. Scale X and Scale Y can compensate for the texture stretching on the model. If you made a mistake with Scale X or Y, clicking X or Y will reset them to 0. For easier edition, you can also minimize and maximize the text field interface, and you can also duplicate it or delete it. The update 1.5 also comes with other new features. You now have the ability to choose the texture UV mode for the cube and the square. Either stretch, which will stretch the texture if you move the vertices, or repeat, which will try to repeat the texture on the model. You can also choose to select the default texture for objects that would normally require a custom texture. And to conclude, vertices are now hidden when you move them around with the mouse or when pressing Shift.